SDG Tech Lab, launched by ITU in collaboration with the UNDP, aims to help Pakistan achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. The SDGs are a collection of 17 global goals set by the United Nations. They aim to end poverty and hunger, improve education and health, among other goals. This will be done by using technology which will bring in great transparency to the policy-making process. We are doing this to improve the life of the average Pakistani. The lab seeks to enhance interprovincial connectivity. In line with the core values of ITU, we will use evidence-based policies to develop local, meaningful and sustainable solutions for Pakistan.